Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best foam cannon is probably one of the most essential tools for any car enthusiast looking to achieve that showroom shine, transforming your car wash from a chore into a satisfyingly sudsy experience that lifts away dirt and grime with unparalleled ease, ensuring a scratch-free finish every single time you detail your beloved vehicle. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Foaming Car Wash Soap. Experience the ultimate car wash with our premium foaming soap. It creates a thick, luxurious lather that gently lifts dirt and grime. Whether you use a foam cannon, foam gun, or a traditional bucket, this soap delivers exceptional results. Achieve a brilliant shine every time. This gentle formula is safe for use on cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and more. Protect your vehicle's finish while cleaning. Enjoy the delightful candy scent as you wash your vehicle. It makes the entire cleaning process more enjoyable. Get more value with our extra-large 32 fluid ounces bottle. You'll have plenty of product for numerous washes, keeping your vehicle looking its best. What we like. This soap offers an incredible value with its extra-large size, ensuring you won't run out mid-wash. Its delightful candy scent makes the washing experience more enjoyable. If you're looking for a long-lasting, pleasant-smelling soap for regular washes of all your vehicles, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The foam cannon produces a thick, clinging foam that covers the vehicle effectively. It has a durable build quality with a solid brass fitting that feels robust. The adjustable nozzle allows for precise control over the foam spray pattern and density. Number 4. Chemical Guy's HydroSuds Ceramic Car Wash Soap. Introducing a revolutionary car wash soap that delivers an unparalleled shine. It creates a thick, luxurious foam that gently lifts dirt and grime. Infused with ceramic technology, this formula not only cleans but also protects your vehicle's finish. Experience a slick, hydrophobic barrier that repels water and enhances gloss. Whether you prefer a foam cannon or a traditional bucket wash, this soap excels. It produces abundant suds for a thorough and satisfying clean on any vehicle. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and more. Achieve a showroom finish on any surface with its versatile application. Enjoy the delightful berry scent as you wash. It transforms your car cleaning routine into a pleasant sensory experience. Get ready to be amazed by the deep gloss and lasting protection. This soap leaves your vehicle looking better than ever. What we like. Experience a new level of shine with this ceramic-infused soap that adds protection while it cleans. The high foaming action helps lift dirt effectively for a safer wash. If you desire a glossy finish and added ceramic protection with every wash, this soap is ideal for you. What people say. This foam cannon produces a thick, clinging foam that covers the vehicle effectively. The adjustable nozzle allows for precise control over the foam output, from a wide spray to a concentrated stream. Durable construction with high-quality materials ensures longevity and reliable performance. Number 3. Chemical Guy's 16-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. Introducing the Chemical Guy's 16-piece Arsenal Builder Kit. It's everything you need for a professional car wash right at home, trusted by enthusiasts and professionals alike. This kit features a powerful foam cannon that attaches to your pressure washer. It creates thick, clinging suds to lift dirt and grime for a scratch-free clean. Inside, you'll find 6 16-ounce bottles of premium car care chemicals. These include shampoo, wool cleaner, and protectants to clean and shine every part of your vehicle. We've included all the essential tools for washing, drying, and detailing. This means a bucket with a grit guard, a microfiber wash mitt, drying towels, a detailing brush, and applicators. Our pH-balanced formulas and soft microfiber tools are gentle on all vehicle surfaces. They are safe for paint, glass, wheels, and trim, ensuring a damage-free, showroom shine. This versatile kit isn't just for cars. It's perfect for cleaning and shining boats, RVs, motorcycles, and other vehicles with painted or coated finishes. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for a professional car wash at home. It includes a foam cannon, bucket, mitt, towels, and multiple cleaning chemicals. If you're a beginner or a seasoned detailer looking for a comprehensive kit to tackle every step of the cleaning process, this is perfect. What people say. The foam cannon produces a thick, clinging foam that covers the vehicle effectively. It has a durable build quality with solid metal fittings that feel like they will last. The adjustable nozzle allows for precise control over the foam consistency and spray pattern. Number 2. SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun and Microfiber Wash Mitt. Transform your garden hose into a powerful foam blaster. This easy-to-use tool attaches in seconds, requiring no pressure washer or extra tools for a simple and effective car clean. Achieve a professional clean by safely lifting dirt before contact. It creates thick, lubricating suds that encapsulate grime, ensuring a safer, scratch-free wash for your vehicle's exterior. Customize your foam from a light rinse to thick, heavy suds. It offers full control for any cleaning job, whether it's a quick wash or a deep clean on cars, trucks, glass, and trim. Upgrade your car wash routine with this attachment designed for speed and convenience. Wash your vehicle in minutes and get better results than traditional methods. We are committed to your happiness with our products. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we will make it right for you. What we like. Transform your garden hose into a powerful foam blaster without any extra equipment. Its adjustable settings allow for customized foam density for any cleaning task. If you want a simple, effective, and fun way to achieve a scratch-free wash with just your garden hose, this is the one for you. What people say. The foam cannon produces a thick, clinging foam that covers the vehicle effectively. It has a durable metal construction and a well-designed adjustable nozzle for precise foam control. The wide opening makes it easy to fill with soap and water, and it connects securely to pressure washers. Number 1. Foam King Car Wash Foam Gun. Introducing the ultimate tool for a perfect car wash at home. Save time and money with this innovative foam sprayer, designed for a scratch-free experience. Effortlessly transform your garden hose into a foaming power washer. It fits all standard hoses, creating thick suds in seconds without any special adapters. Safely remove dirt and grime without harming your vehicle's paint. It easily reaches even the most difficult spots, ensuring a pristine finish every time. Customize your cleaning experience with adjustable foam concentration. Choose from multiple settings to tackle everything from light dust to heavy mud. This versatile foam gun is ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. Achieve a brilliant clean on any surface with ease. We are committed to providing the best car cleaning products. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. Let's get cleaning. What we like. This foam gun is designed for ultimate convenience, connecting directly to your garden hose for instant thick suds. It offers adjustable foam settings for tailored cleaning power. If you prioritize a scratch-free wash and want a user-friendly tool that works with a standard hose for all your vehicles, this is your king. What people say. The foam cannon produces a thick, clinging foam that covers the vehicle effectively. It has a durable build quality and feels substantial in hand. The adjustable nozzle allows for precise control over the foam output and spray pattern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.